Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to download Roblox on PC and laptop. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Roblox website. You can explore and buy items or create content. However, you cannot play games in the browser. To play, you need to download the Roblox application. There are two main ways to install it. If you're using Windows 10, you can download Roblox from the Microsoft Store. But the easier method is to install it directly from the Roblox website. Go to the game you want to play, for example, racing. Click on the game, then press the play button. A prompt will appear asking you to download and install Roblox. Click the download button. Once the file downloads, run the installer by clicking the .exe file. You may get a security pop-up. Click OK to continue. Roblox will now install. The process is fast and straightforward. After installation, click play again on any game. The Roblox application will open and begin loading. The first launch may take a minute as it updates. Now you are ready to start playing. This process works the same on laptops, PCs, and even Macs. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.